Alright guys, welcome back. So yeah, I made the video yesterday and since then we have seen some drastic changes in price action. This one's going to be quite quick. It's going to be an update on what's been occurring recently. Alright, so first things first, let's just see where we are. Let's switch off this level and this level, keep these levels together. Okay. So what we saw yesterday is primarily I was charting this chart here and we had the prediction that price was going to fall and we were going to do a swing play pattern off the low here. Now, I said the condition was you'd have to see a reaction, right? So I actually set my alarms yesterday for it, well, last night. And as you can see, there was no subsequent proper reaction on that was convincing enough to enter. So if you look here, right, we took the low here, and we subsequently just had a little rebound and dropped. So our potential upside was around 0.62, which isn't enough and it's not convincing enough. And the reaction died and it came down, and now we're here. So number one, I did not enter a long position. Number two, if you're in a short from up here, congratulations, because you would be in 5% profit, which is decent. So now, I'm not going to follow this anymore because obviously the reaction hasn't been strong enough, but obviously the downside was correct. So what are we looking for now? Since that like, has occurred, so let's switch back to this chart. So we've punched through the day level. We're going to trade this level by level, guys. That's how we roll. So the next level we're looking for is this level right here, which is the swing play pattern level here. I gave you guys the level in terms of the number, but I'll give it again. We've got that range from like 4,400 to 4,000. So give or take $400 there. That's what I'm looking for potential long. Another long position would be in this region here. So I'd be looking at 37, 38, 700. And yeah, so mainly this region here. Potentially you could chuck on a fib here, but it doesn't really confluence with anything, so I'm not going to be doing that. But yeah, so we've broken that level, guys. If you're in shorts, I'd be holding your short still. I would not be taking out the short position. Keep going. I think we're going to be taking out this low, in my opinion. And from there, we'll see what the subsequent reaction is. So if we get a good reaction there, yeah, well, then I'll be definitely taking a long position on that. But what we'll be looking for is this, and it comes up, claims it, and then we go up. So we're really looking for that strength and to get a wick, basically. Basically, what you want to see is something that looks of the lines of this. Get this type of reaction. Not this. This is not very good. So if you can see that, that's great. So hold your shorts, guys. Your shorts invalidated if it goes, in my opinion, if it goes above this level right here, because you'd be starting to shift the market structure. So yeah, if you have a short, I would potentially be closing it here, depending on where you took it from. If you took it from here, you could take a profit now and let the rest run. So that's what I'll be doing right now. If you guys are in shorts, long positions, as I said, wait for the swing play pattern down here. If it doesn't happen, what we got? We got weekly levels. Let's see. Nope. We got some day levels here we can chuck on real quick just to make sure we've got, what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do this so I can make a better level. So that's a good one. We've got here, and then here we go. I'll go right there. Yeah, cool. So those are our levels, guys. So make sure to look at them. So volume levels. Yep, cool. Yeah, so that's what I'm looking at, guys. If you guys need any more information, leave a DM, follow the Discord channel link down below, and I'll update you guys further on from there. Other than that, this is a short video, and it's just an update on the price. Quickly check Beam, actually. I was talking about Beam last night in my video. If I pull it up real quickly. I believe I was talking about if I was to do something, it would be a short, but at the time we were sitting around, I believe. I'll just quickly pull it up to see if I could just see what I said. Kind of forgotten. But it was this here, this video right here. So
does that make sense?
Let's just pull this up. I think Beam was somewhere. No, that's me singing. Wrong one.
So, because it didn't take out the high, but on other exchanges, I didn't realize it did, but that's okay. I actually took a long here and sold it right at the top. I can actually pull that up in a second if you want me to. I'll log into that right now and just show you guys where I sold that one at. I had about $2,000, Australian dollars, I believe.
This is me talking about it,
made
by the way.
around 14%, I would say.
I'm trying to find
So
that
let's take
second
a
one.
look
So
at it.
short.
I'll pull it up for you guys so you guys can see what it looks like. So, I have no reason to believe that we're going to go higher after seeing rejection there. So, in my opinion, we're going to be going, midway, potentially more down and back up again. In my opinion, unless proven otherwise, and you proven otherwise when you reach your level potentially here, and it's like, well, no, we're going to break and then we're going to test it and then we're going to break down. Then that would change my opinion, right? And what would change my opinion is not it breaking out fully, but it's breaking through, coming up, and then weakness is shown right here.
Yeah.
And
So you guys get the point. Basically, what was being said is at the point we had no reason to believe otherwise. So why would you believe we're going to be going higher when we've already seen a significant drop, which is around 0.2, I believe, was down here. So since then, we've seen a subsequent 10% push down. We're now reaching points where we are now in the lower regions. So I'll quickly pull up this channel here for you. So you go here. It depends where you draw the channel from. You could draw it from here. There's more touches here or there. But nonetheless, we are now in the side to look for potential buys. I would not be looking for buys yet, as I feel like we're going to be going lower. However, this is now a safe region to start taking profits in short trades if you did. And yeah, start to look for potential buy opportunities if we see some strong signals or rotations upwards. Okay, so I'll keep you guys updated on that too. That'll be in the altcoin channel in the Discord channel below. Other than that, what we got? We got Solana. Solana's broken out, not really broken out. Sort of in that still, I would say it's valid. We got Link, yep, AVAX, Optimism, and yeah, stock market's doing. How are we going? Stock market's pumped a little bit there on the 4-hour chart. And on that, guys, yeah, just I'm waiting for lower in Bitcoin personally. Nothing to really, no reason for me to believe that we're not going to be going lower. Right now, since we've already broken out swing for that pattern, and it doesn't look strong in my opinion. That being said, you can obviously enter back in the region. So what you'd be looking for and to re-enter back in would be a claim of this level. So we've obviously seen this candle, which is there's a slight wick to it, but yeah, you'd be looking for a claim above here and then back into the value area region. So that's that potential. If you get above it, if you don't get above it, what I'll be looking for is the test and back down, and then from here we can see potentially upside based on the reaction. And again, it's all about the reaction you see at the point. Like this one, I didn't take a trade because the reaction was not strong. Okay, now guys, yeah, you've seen my levels, you've seen what I'm looking at, guys. So enjoy and have a good one. I'll keep you guys updated. Links are down below, and I'll see you next.